Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that removes a key value pair from a dictionary and prints the updated dictionary. I'm having a dictionary called car. It has three keys: brand, model, and year. And it has three values: Toyota, Corolla, 2020. If we want to remove one key value pair from this existing dictionary, we use the del keyword, then we type down the name of the dictionary, and in the brackets, we're going to type down the name of the key that we would like to be removed from this dictionary. So after that, I'm trying to print the dictionary here. So when I run this code, I'm having brand Toyota, model Corolla, and year 2020. When I delete this key, the associated value to this key is going to be removed as well automatically. So when I print my car dictionary, I see brand Toyota here, and then I see year 2020 here. So I see no information about the model Corolla in the output after having uh, the model keyword and its associated value being removed using the del keyword in Python. Thank you for watching.